Good morning, dear student. In this class, we are going to talk about velocity. So, motion of a object can be defined in following terms, that is displacement, distance, speed, velocity, acceleration. In this class, we are going to study about the velocity, concept of velocity. So, velocity means it is a rate of change of displacement, or it is defined as rate of displacement is known as velocity. Rate of change of displacement, or it is defined as it is the ratio of displacement by displacement to the time taken to cover the displacement is called as a velocity. So the expression for velocity equals to distance means x2 minus x1, the final position and initial position divided by total time taken of the final time and initial time. This is the expression for velocity, and the SI unit of velocity becomes displacement divided by time taken is called as a velocity. What is the SI unit of displacement or distance? That is meter, and time is second. Therefore, meter per second is it is the SI unit of velocity, and it's a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction, and the dimensional formula of this velocity equals to mLg. Here we know that meter goes to length, that is 1, and time second, therefore it is in denominator, therefore minus 1. M to the power 0, m to the power of 1 and n to the power of minus 1 is the dimensional formula of velocity. Next we are going to discuss regarding what are the differences between the velocity. Next one is this types of velocity. Types of velocity. So here there are 4 types. First one is uniform velocity, and second one is non-uniform velocity, and third one is average velocity, and the last one is instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity. This is the 4 types of velocity. First we are going to talk about the first one, uniform velocity. If a body is said to be uniform, if it is a velocity is said to be uniform, then it covers a total displacement or equal displacement in equal interval of time is known as uniform velocity. If the velocity is said to be uniform if it covers equal displacement in equal time interval. Is known as a uniform velocity. So it is defined as it is the velocity is said to be uniform. It covers equal displacement in equal time interval is called as uniform velocity. Next one is what is non-uniform velocity? Here also it is the velocity is said to be non-uniform. Is said to be non-uniform. Said to be non-uniform if it covers an unequal distance. It covers unequal displacement in equal time interval is known as a non-uniform velocity. And the next one is average velocity. Average means mean of the velocity. This is defined as it is the ratio of total displacement to the total time taken. Total time taken is called as average velocity. It is defined as here the total time, total displacement x1 or x2 to x1 divided by t1 to t2 to t1 is the average velocity. Total displacement divided by total time taken is called as average velocity. And instantaneous velocity. What do you mean by instantaneous velocity? It is a velocity. It's a velocity of a body at a particular instant of time. That is called as instantaneous velocity. Is defined as instantaneous velocity Vi equals to dx divided by dt. This is the instantaneous velocity at instant of time. Time is here, the time is limit of t tends to 0. Therefore, it is represented as Vi equals to dx by dt. It is the instantaneous velocity. Next, move on to what are the differences between speed and velocity? Differences between speed and velocity. So it is speed, this is velocity. So first the common difference is the definition itself. So it is defined as it is the rate of change of position of a body. It is a rate of change of distance or rate of change of position or distance of a body in motion. It is a rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement. So here it is a scalar quantity. It is a vector quantity. Here the speed it may be zero, sorry, it never always positive, but it may be 0 or negative or positive, and it depends on path followed by the object, by the body, or path followed by the object or body in motion, but it depends on the position of a body during motion. These are the common differences between speed and velocity. Except this, the SI unit and dimensional formula both are same for these two quantities. And the next one is motion, uniform and non-uniform motion. First one is uniform motion. Uniform motion, it is a motion if a body covers with a constant acceleration. It's a motion of a body with moves with a uniform velocity. In uniform motion, acceleration of a body is 0. Acceleration of a body is 0. Why? Because it moves in a uniform velocity. That's why the acceleration becomes 0. What do you mean by acceleration? It will discuss later. So next one is non-uniform motion. What do you mean by non-uniform motion? It is same as it is. It is a motion of a body which moves with a non-uniform velocity. It moves with a non-uniform velocity. Here the acceleration is not 0. Here acceleration is not 0. Why? Because it moves in a non-uniform velocity. Then only we observe some value of acceleration. Then the next topic comes. It is acceleration. What do you mean by acceleration? So it is very important because it is defined as rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration. It's the rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration, or it is defined as the ratio of velocity to the time taken is known as acceleration. Then the expression for acceleration can be denoted by a small letter a. It is defined as a total velocity. So final velocity can be represented by v, and initial velocity can be represented is called as it is a acceleration. Then the SI unit of acceleration. SI unit of acceleration is, what is the SI unit of velocity? Velocity is meter per second divided by time is second. Therefore, meter per second square. Here second will be repeated 2 times. Therefore, meter per second square is the SI unit of acceleration. Then it is a vector quantity. It's a vector quantity, and the dimension formula of this MLT. Here M means meter. Meter goes to length, and T is 2. It is in denominator. Therefore, goes to numerator. This is minus 2. M to the power of 1. T to the power of minus 2 is the dimension formula of acceleration. Here also there are types of acceleration is there. Let us discuss one by one. The first one is types of acceleration. So here the first one is same as it is, uniform acceleration, and second one is non-uniform acceleration, and the third one is average acceleration, and the fourth one is instantaneous acceleration. So first one is uniform acceleration. It is a acceleration of a body. It covers if changes equal amount of velocity in equal time interval. It's a acceleration of a body. If it changes equal amount of velocity in equal time interval. Is called as uniform acceleration, and the second one is non-uniform acceleration. It is also same here. It is the acceleration of the body. It changes unequal amount of velocity in equal time interval is known as a non-uniform acceleration. Then here the constant acceleration. Constant acceleration defined as if a body moves with a uniform velocity is called as constant acceleration. If a body moves with a constant or uniform velocity is known as a constant acceleration. Then average acceleration, it is, next one is, third one is average acceleration. It's a velocity changes in velocity to the is called as average acceleration. The last one is instantaneous acceleration. It is a acceleration of a body at a particular interval of time. Sorry, particular instant of time. Instant of time is called as instantaneous acceleration. Is denoted by AI equals to dv divided by dx. Sorry, dt. dv divided by dt. It is the change in acceleration at instant of time. Change in velocity. Change in velocity at an instant of time. This is called as instantaneous acceleration. First one is uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration, average acceleration, instantaneous acceleration. Along that, a constant acceleration means it is there. If a body moves with a uniform velocity, then only it is called as a constant acceleration. I will end up here.